Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the red color sheet and put it like this around the clay like this. Now make the trees over it, and here we are making a watermelon theme beach. Now make the trees over it and it's red. Next, take a red color clay and press it and make the balls out of it like this. Now make the eyes of it. So here we are making a crab. Now make its legs. Now make its fingers like this on the top, and then put some bubbles around it and it's ready. Next, make the grass using green color paper. Now, using the clay, we will make the snail. Now make its eyes like this. Now make a moon and star on the top like this, and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw the lines like this using green color on it. Now make these small stems like this. Now after that, we will take the yellow color clay and make small balls and then paste it on the sides to make the flowers. Now you can put some honeybees or butterflies around it like this using yellow color clay and blue color wings like this, and it's ready. Next, put the yellow color clay on the white sheet. Now make the ribbon on the side. Now put the blue color clay on the side and make the lines on it. Put a star in the between, and then you can write anything around it and it's ready. Next, take a white color paper and put the colorful balls like this and press it using the fingers as shown in the video and flatten it. After that, make the black color clay on the top of it like this. Now here we are making a round circle made by the peoples and it's ready. Next, we'll be making the carrot. So make these stems using the green color clay like this. Now make a 2023 number over it like this. Now make a rabbit in the between. Make a carrot out of it and it's ready. Next, take the clay and spread it using the fingers like this. Now put the clay on it like this. Make the lines like this. Here we are making a cactus tree. Now make the cute little birds like this around it. Make some clouds and it's ready. Next, take a red color clay and spread it using the finger like this to make a star. Now draw a line using green color marker. Now take some green color clay and make the leaves out of it like this. Make a flower in the between and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.